Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my Artake weekly tasks planner for the week of May 13th through the 19th using this PlanningPriss Sunny Blooms deco. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Megan once again, and I craft with all different kinds of art media, from planners to occasionally art prompt journal books and other kinds of crafting media. So if you're interested in seeing what I post, you can check out the description box below. There are various playlists related to each category of planning and crafting. And if you want to see my Artake weekly tasks planner, you can also see that playlist there, or it will be at the end of the video. So this week I have a sunflower bee kind of theme going on here. So I really wanted to use, first of all, forgot I had this kit in my stash, and I was going through my stash and I was like, oh my gosh, I need this. And second, I wanted to have all of the themes together in like one. So I wanted it all to be like bees and sunflowers and things like that. So I really love this kit, and I thought it would be perfect to add a little bit of spring to the spread. I also have a couple of freebies from like sales that were participated in. I believe these were the Budget Be Damned sales, because I remember there was like a sunflower theme one year. So that is what I'm going to be like using for extras. And then I also have this black grid washi that I think I'm going to use to add a little bit of deco to the spread. So let's go ahead and jump into this week. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and cover up all of the, well, not all of, but most of the blue in the spread, because it just does not go with the colors in the kit. So I'm just measuring it out here on the spread a little bit, and then I will cut it in half and use those. But I'm just gonna go ahead and like cut it up and work with the washi that way, just because I don't want to deal with all of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up all of the, if this will come off, there we go. I'm going to cover up all of the blue on the spread, and then I'll get back to you. Now that we have covered up most of the blue, I'm going to take the sticker sheet. Well, hold on, I've got to figure out what I want to do first. I think I'm going to put her probably right here. I do like that, and then I will most likely, I'll wait on that. I was going to white it out, but I don't want to waste my white out if I'm just going to cover it up with more of these strips. And then let's use this one. I kind of want to put it down here, but that does cover up Friday completely. So maybe we will just cover up the habit tracker instead, because I don't always need the habit tracker in my spreads all the time. Sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't. So I'm going to cover this, because I know that I'll need to white it out here. I'm going to white out habits and skills too. There we go. That's pretty. It's not bad. Like, it's okay. We'll fix it later if I don't like it. I'm going to white out these bullet points here too, because they're already getting covered up by this floral. And then we have another one, and I really like the idea of having it go up here. But again, that cuts off Tuesday. However, I will be working, so like I don't really need too many. Yeah, I'm just going to cover it up. I was going to say I don't need too many like to-dos over the week, especially on Tuesdays, because the only thing I need to write on Tuesday is that it's payday and then like bills and stuff. But I also have other things that I can write if I need to. Like I have other spaces throughout the week that I can write stuff in if I need to. So yeah, and then I think we'll just carry this over so that I don't have to write anything out. Just like that. Perfect. Okay. Now we have some quotes here too, and it says, "Here comes the sun, and I say it's all right. Sunshine is the best medicine." So maybe since we're already covering her up, we'll put this one there. And then there are these like little, I don't know, they're like little speckles that I think would be pretty to add around. So we'll do that, and maybe we'll add a little sunflower to the corner there. We also have, like I said, we have these freebies, and I'm thinking of using this box because, like, why not? And we also have this one here as well. And you know what? We will add this green one to Tuesday since it is payday, and we want to make sure we put that in. I don't think we have any stickers there that say payday on these, so we'll put, yeah, we'll wait. Okay. So what we can do though is we can do a little layering here. That way I don't have to white out this entire box. And we will layer this just like that. Part of me feels like I should use this box. But we also have sunshine is the best medicine. And maybe I can just put that there. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. All right. Then we have this cool planter. And I'm thinking, since we have so much over there, we can put this one down here to balance it out. Do you guys like sunflowers? Are you a flower person, or do you not like flowers at all? If you do like flowers, what is your favorite one? I like flowers, but my allergies do not. I unfortunately cannot handle flowers too much because my allergies just, they say, you know what would be a great idea, Megan? To make your eyeballs swell so that you cannot see anything and you can't appreciate the flowers. And I'm like, how about we not? I think I'm going to cut this in half and put this here. I've got to turn it to the side. I'm sorry. I know some people really cannot stand it when others like turn their planner. I just can't see what I'm doing unless I turn my planner to the side. So sorry about that. Kind of want to put another one there. Yeah, we'll do that. Guys, we're almost done with the spread. I don't really need too much, like, don't need too much deco in the planner for this because it's all, you know, it's all coming together. I kind of want to just cover the box up this way. Do that. I think we are going to cut this last washi strip in half so that I can cover up this box though. Oops, not that side. Because again, I only did a few of them because that's what I normally do. Okay. We do have this watering can that I do want to use too. I feel like this spread is super dark because of the black that I used. And I want to fix it, but at the same time, I'm like, it's fine. You know, it's not a big deal. I don't know though, like, should I fix it? Should I make it less dark and gloomy, or should I just leave it? I guess we'll find out in a second whenever I actually, I'm going to cut this. Oh my gosh, I am like struggling over here. There we go. Should I add? Probably not. don't know if I want to add it to the bottom here either. I guess I can just lay it there and see. I don't like that. I don't like it laying like that. But I do like that there. That's nice. Where should we put this one? I kind of want it to go. Yeah, we'll just do that. It's not a big deal, right? Just a sticker. And then we have the rest of it. I still want to put it here. Oh, wait. That's not bad. Oh, I'm ripping it. Oh my gosh, let go. There we go. That's actually not terrible. We'll leave that there. I think that's all. Oh, nope, I have this little bit left. I was going to say I think that's all of the stickers, but it's not. We have one more of these left. Should I just go for it and put it here? No, I should not. I probably should move this all up, honestly. So that's not so close to this one, because I noticed that that was like bothering me a little bit. Ooh. No. Oh, I could just put this down here. That would be just like it continues. Yes. Okay. More of these guys. We can add these to any place that feels like it needs a little bit of sunflower love. Like any spots, you know? Like here. Little sunflower pieces everywhere. Just throwing them out. Ooh, I like that there. Got two more. And then we have all of these, like, oh my gosh, come off the page. We have all of these, like, little dot things. No. That'll be fine. That'll be fine there. Okay. Then we've got more of these little splurt things. I have no idea what they're called. I'm calling them splurts because that's what they look like to me, but they're probably not called that. Oh well. Yeah, this is a very dark colored spread, and I did not intend it to be dark. I wanted it to be super bright, but it's okay. I still like it. I think it's very pretty. Like, I love all of the sunflowers. I really think it's the black washi that makes it really dark and, like, ominous. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Okay, we've got two more of these, and then we're done with this one. One more. Where should we put it? Down here? I feel like that's too close. Maybe we should put a smaller little one here. Oh, yeah. That'll be good. Okay, and then I also have another orange one. I feel like I should add it somewhere. Maybe I could put it here. As like a this week kind of thing. I like that. And then we have these as little sunflowers. I think this is a daffodil, but I could be wrong. It's probably a sunflower. I just don't know my flowers. I really don't. I'm trying to find a good spot for this one. Let's see. Yeah. Put that one there. And we have this one. Where should we put this one? There. What do we think? Do we like this? I mean, I think it's cute. I probably should put the days of the week on here. That would be smart, wouldn't it? I do have some in here that we can use. Kind of leaning towards these Planner Kate ones. I think that they are whimsical and fun. This is the 13th through the 19th. Haha! We can use this full of numbers on here. I am a master. Not really. Alright everyone, that was a very quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed this spread. I really had a lot of fun putting all of these sunflowers on the spread, and I think even though it's kind of dark, I will add, I think I'll probably use, obviously I'll use my black ink pen, but I'm thinking I will add a little bit of green and orange and yellow, like, ink to the spread to make it pop a little bit more and make the spread a little bit, like, brighter. So I will show you guys an after the pen, and I will do a flip through of this entire planner after the pen when we finish it. We've got like 4 more spreads left in this planner before we are done with it. So I am excited to show you guys what I do with this planner after we are finished with it, and I hope you guys will stick around for more exciting videos from me. If you do like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to check out the description box below. Like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there are various playlists related to each category of planning and crafting, so you can check those out if you are so interested. If you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot, and it lets me know you want to see more content from me. If you do enjoy my content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I do post new videos. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys.